Unique facts and interesting facts. Singkawang City. The city is located in West Kalimantan, Indonesia. Well, this time our friends are on the way towards the location, which is a unique fact in Singkawang City. A city named as a tolerated city in Indonesia, or also called Amoy City. This is the way, our main one that is always passed by the people of Singkawang City. And this is a city place who became part of Network City Indonesian Heritage. Well, on our left and right, this working on the project Garden Make It Indonesian Heritage City in Singkawang. Well, this time guys, Reza will bring friends to one of the new tourist center in Singkawang City, who is the center of the people's snacks, or food court, or abbreviated also as all-around hawker center, the one in the Singkawang, always crowded and visited by tourists. Well, behind that, we're going to one of the most favorite food places in Indonesia, precisely in Singkawang City, namely meatballs, the heart of the heart. In a previous video, guys would have seen how delicious this heart meatball, especially friends, if later friends to or vacation to Singkawang City or travel in Singkawang City, don't forget to stop by to this heart meatball with friends. Sing our travel route that just now Reza made them. Well, soon we will arrive. Friends, will Reza presented with this interesting video from the atmosphere of beauty around here until delicious meatballs, the heart of Singkawang City. Okay guys, check it out. Don't skip the video and don't miss. Let's friends feel more the beauty of the life, delicacy of the facts that exist in this city. Well, of course, my friends, Reza pray, Reza say, and Reza give a huge thank you for friends who have supported Reza Singkawang's YouTube channel and make friends. It supports the YouTube channel Reza Singkawang. Reza wish you good luck, healthy and happy always. Amen. And make friends that haven't supported, please subscribe, given likes as well as positive comment, as well as share. Let Reza Spirit again make interesting content. Yeah! And the best content about Singkawang City. This, which is the city tolerated in Indonesia. Okay, guys, let's watch the video through. Let friends feel the pleasure. Meatballs, the heart in the food court, Singkawang City Tarakan Field.